Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update. Today we are going to Red Fort, Delhi. It is one of the primary traveler objections in Delhi. On the off chance that you are wanting to come Delhi for voyaging, at that point it is an absolute necessity choice. Here you can see the lovely design building which is demonstrating an incredible history of India. It is truly lovely. Let's have a look. The stronghold, which is spread more than 255 sections of land, includes a blend of compositional styles, for example, Islamic, Hindi, Timurid, and Persian. Its monstrous 2.5 km long encasing dividers are made of red sandstone, and that is the place the landmark got its name from. One, two, three. Taking a gander at the Red Fort area, the metro is the simplest method to arrive at the stronghold. The closest metro station to Red Fort is Chandni Chowk on Yellow Line. Exit at the station and take an auto or taxi to arrive at the Red Fort. DTDC transports are additionally accessible for street moves. Transport stop close to New Delhi Railroad Station, which is near Red Fort. There are so many street foods. According to your choices, you can eat any of them. Other than Red Fort, you can visit Jama Mosque. It is extremely wonderful. Jama Masjid is the nation's biggest and maybe its most grand mosque. It remains over the street from Red Fort. The extraordinary mosque of Old Delhi is the last structural lavishness of the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. Chandni Chowk is only behind of Jama Mosque. Here you will discover excellent, delectable dishes. We had our lunch at Karim restaurant. It is one of the most renowned cafes. Must attempt to let a remark beneath. Let me know in the comment section.